In this video, I'd like to apologize for my bad language. The consciousness want me to post this video. For the one that give me thumbs down and for the ones that will give me a thumbs down again, I want to tell you how language is created. I'm going to speak in different language in this video, and if you don't understand the language I'm talking, you will not give me thumbs down because you don't understand it. But I'm gonna think words and but I put it in another language what you don't understand. Now, marhaba ya habibi halbi. Goedemorgen iedereen. Now, good morning everybody. On a show how the body. Well, actually, I'm in a salon today. I be born in a salon, but I don't mean say when them pop me out in a salon. I don't mean say I'm in a salon girl. Because sex make a picture for me. So them pop me out, and I mean say nothing not the only place where I stay. Now, to clarify that, before I speak the language nobody understanding this planet. I was trying to say to the Sierra Leonean sisters and brothers that's gonna think we are family. I want them to think again. It doesn't mean because they pop me out there, it doesn't mean I belong there. I belong all over the world. All freedom raised in mother's hair. Afrima, not Africa. Africa mean all freedom raised in Christ hair. Guys don't get pregnant. Mothers get pregnant. Now, let me try to talk to the nation. Nyama unwi chiyai, nyama unwi chichi, ina unwi nga uchi, singia ma unwi tiki na uchi ai, sangu, sama unwi tiki muni yeti, singa uti. Anawi tini makuki na tini na woni ni mamuti sama ungi maitiki ni nyawiti ina mui nga witi sna mui ina woni ga kushikia ya kaumina tana mui tingi ina moni nyatenga ya sani singi sanga mui tingi atutia Manga nga shang ya. I ngo shang ya. Gango chamalala. I mang witikina. I ngo shingai. Imanu nita. Champarala. I ngau chiki kiamu tiki. Sini ama wini. Inimuana maguduni. Sini ama puti. Ninga ku. Sama utiki pukuitinyama na uti siniyama uikikina sini uti na shiyoma nama uiti siniyama ku inina nasi ininga ngatukuki siniyama uikina kinua uti sana uya inama pu Nama wapatia na ingo Oprah Winfrey na Sinyama na Beyonce na Niyama ma Shakira na Niyama upiki na Chuya na Sinyama unia tukuni ya tinga uichi Siya uwa Sana ui Sinyama na Jelo Jinyana na Parai ma ukikina nga mausi na unchi nima sina ikiwa chukinya unyachi mama shokikinya kuwa nima ku kiki ununga ngwe manga chuki ina makuchiki anga na mashinshi ina mukinya ina uki kinwaku Kinua mapuki chikuna Mamasia Ninga kuma Iksingi ina maunyi mashukia niya ina matukia di ni ngashi mashungi sinyamuiati ina makukichi nga washi ni wa mangashiki sangi shi ikuma kuya ukinga chumia namachi amakuhiya shingo namawi chini manawi ningwawi aina mama fugi si shamawi kikichi amauchi zamauchi bring watching ma ikshi chingi munga chu a chinga chu a pia mu ya ninga washui nanga shungi ha kayo shunya shoini amachu amapatia ini muauya ini mama hui shankunki nama shingile stu yaguya shingiyama ishinu yama uchi nama unia akuya mauchuki kikuwa ni mauchi ni maushi imachuku inua uchi ngonga ha na maui chingia singmo singimo ni machu ngoma sangamu chingina shingunga na maui china mauya singauchu ni muangi yani changamushi chongqing ni yu chongqing ama kuni shingwa. Anybody understand me? The point is, I talk about the pop star, I have the thinking, and I translate it in another language. I know what I'm thinking, and I can tell you that's what I'm thinking, but you will not understand it, right? The point is, the saddest thing, all the pregnancy today, nobody can see the faces that will come up 30 years later. But we see the pregnancy today, the faces. But we just can piece it together that the nose look like the mother, the eyes look like the father, the mouth look like both of them, and there's this face ready. They go to school, and now we call them the name they tell us. We know many people pass the street. You don't know their name. You can never say, you can say hi, but it doesn't mean you're going to talk to them. So the end of the day, what the system creates, and they create a certain faces, and then the person pass by and they say they're Anita. I say, hi Anita, how are you? Well, this is my name, I live there. Well, I'm from this place. I used to have my husband, we divorced. They tell you a story and now it looks like you know them. But in the night, they will never shake your arm. They will never talk to you. So how deep is the secret? And how deep is the mind game with the body of the people? You see the 30 years today, you can shake their arm, but you're not talking to the 60 years of age. 30 years later, your best friend, you sleep, you wake up, they are 60, and now you're shaking the arm of the 60 you did not get a chance to meet. They become 90, and now you're shaking their arm 30 years later, you're thinking, hello. Well, they get a new faces to dress them. If you're not shaking the arm of the 60 today, you're shaking the arm of the 90. The 60 is the owner of the face. The face is coming to the 60, and then they meet you. Hello. They meet you and then they shake your arm. It is simple. It's not difficult to understand it. The 5 years is gonna be 100, but you're not shaking the arm of the 100. They're there. You shake the arm of the 5, but you cannot see the 5 years face belong to the 100. You're not a friend of the 50. You're a friend of the 25. Your best friend for 25 years. The 50 is there. They become 75. And your best friend become 50. Was your best friend the 50? Or the face of your friend just traveled to dress the 50? You're not a friend of the 75. Your friend is the 25. The 75 is there. The 50 is there. The face of your friend traveled to be the 50, traveled to be the 75, but you did not shake the arm of the 75 that is now 125, and the 50 is now the 75. You understand? You're watching me, but you're not watching my 75 years of age face. They own this face, and this face is travel to dress them. Sex make a picture for the real queen bee, and we come to dress them. Someone is right now 69 years of age. You don't see her. You're not talking to her. You're not watching her. But when my face go to dress them, and you just think I grow up. Do I grow up? If I'm the 69, why are they the 99? You understand? They are the 69. 30 years later, they go dress the 99. But 30 years later, my face dressed the 69. The faces you're watching, they're only here to dress the age. If you're not the best friend of the 70 years of age, but your friend is now 10 years old, 60 years later, that 10 years old is going to dress the 70. But that 70 is already 130, drop dead. And they become the youngest face. The body drop dead, not the age. The ghost is there, waiting for your face, waiting for my face, waiting for your girlfriend's face. But the face that is up there, what you think, oh, hello, old lady. They capture it in the picture, but it's not the face. The ghost is the face. The face travel, go to be 130, but there's no ghost there for 130. They know when the body is 130, they don't get orgasm anymore. It's not sexy anymore. Throw the body 6 feet. Take the wind. Fix it to baby number 1. The face belongs to them. My face belongs to them. But my face is here to tell you, I'm not like you. I'm not sleeping. I'm wrapped in the clothes to wake you up. You're saving the video for in the future. But you will not make use of it. The little children will make use of the videos. Because you, every 9 months, you travel to dress them. The same way I travel to dress them. So understand, your face, your whole passport picture, it's not for you. It's here to dress the ghost. When we sleep, we don't talk. When we awake, come on people. I'm not 90, right? The 90 is there with another face. They said the face is dead, but the 90 is still there. Get a new face, new face, new face, new face. Then my face come on top of the 90. Hi, Sally. Oh, you're 90 years of age. You say, hello. My daughter already traveled. My grandchildren travel. So as you. We can still be there 90, or they throw us 6 feet, because then our children are still going to dress them.